634 plants total. 187 trees. And there's,
okay, plants. What sort of species are we talking about?
So there's 13 different tree species. We've got red alders, black hawthorns, Pacific crabapple, Doug firs, cedars, black cottonwood, Saskatoonberry, big leaf maple, and 3 willow species, schoolers, Sitka, and Hooker's willow. Well, we removed 2 different invasive species, the reed canary grass and the common hawthorn tree or English hawthorns, and we're replacing it with native tree species. So basically we're just adding diversity to a riparian area. So we're right next to the Coquitlam River, which is just beyond the silt fence there.
Right.
So we're basically giving it a habitat buffer to the creek where it was nothing.
Is there salmon in that river?
Oh yeah, Coquitlam, yeah, huge run of salmon. They're just starting to come up right now.
Too.
Yep. Yeah, every time we do a riparian planting, it just adds habitat not only for the salmon but also for all the other species of animals and birds and such.
And this is referred to as Panama Flats in here?
This is Panama Hill Park.
Okay, so it's not part of the flats.
Yeah, so flats, they both connect.
Okay.
The high area which we're sort of starting on is Panama Hill Park, and then obviously the flats are the.
So this isn't swamp area then, normally.
No,
we're on a bit of a hill here.
You might get the Coquitlam River coming up, and flooding down like last couple of days we've actually had king tide and rains. Right. So if you went to Cuthbert Holmes Park, the whole Coquitlam there was flooding over. It was pretty awesome. But rarely, I think this might have been flooded once or twice in 100 years. But it's if the trees are surviving, then the flooding is not a big deal.
We've got shrubs there, and some bags of shrubs around here if anybody doesn't know.
Trees. One more looking here, everybody. Trees. Yeah.
His thing was his true passion was basically.
Like you plant behind me.
Actually, pretty small root ball for the size of this.
Yeah, no worries. Oh, fine.
I would like to see more native trees, and I was so happy to see the hawthorn go.
Yeah.
So,
the hawthorn.
and this is such a worthwhile community event. Last on, I think it was Thursday, when some of the grade school children were here planting some of the other things, and that just looked like fun. And I thought, well, I have to go help too.
Oh, good for you.
I'm David Spence. I have been involved with planting a number of trees throughout the lower Vancouver Island, including Saanich, as part of the program that I'm involved with, the Queen's Commonwealth Canopy. This is called teasing the roots.
And what's the purpose of that?
In order for the roots not to be bound into the shape of the pot, but have some freedom to explore the earth around where it's being planted. There it is. It's level with the ground. Now we'll just fill in the soil around it. In the fall is the best time.
What are they raising money for?
So that the roots have an opportunity to get the full moisture of the winter rains.
I'm excited because in my car there's
But now what we'll do, we'll bring in a little bit of mulch from the mulch pile and make a donut around the
from Mount Doug. And
around
it's
here.
only been in Canada for like 4 years, is it now? Your family, you and your family.
I've been here, it'll be 3 years in February.
Yeah, 3 years, there you go. Whereas I was born and raised here.
It's a good place to live.
Is it? Do you like it? Do you like it? What do you like about it? What do you like?
No typhoons.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, they're from the Philippines.
Oh my goodness!
Okay, yeah.
Oh, that must be hard to be watching that then. Yeah.
Yeah, and it floods in our place like every month or two.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah.
Can you speak to the importance of such events to the
Sure.
community?
We're here at our tree appreciation planting event, and these are really important events because you know, council can issue direction, staff do such incredible work, but we really do rely on volunteers, and when you have the good work of staff then being magnified by so many volunteers, it allows us to plant way more. And our staff were talking to the importance of this earlier, just about how 2 invasive species were removed from these lands, and I think 23 different species of native plants are being reintroduced, 13 unique tree species along with that, which is just huge for biodiversity and a key part of how we can deliver together on our biodiversity conservation strategy. But I remember growing up here as a child, and this was all overgrown with wild grasses that were invasive and invasive trees too. And so when I saw the site clear and the different shrubs ready to be planted, you could really tell, we're going to transform this space over the next afternoon here. Yeah, there is a Panama Flats concept plan. The big focus of that plan is on conservation, especially expansion of the wetlands. And so there are some plans for some small-scale community gardens in some areas that make sense, as well as a fenced-in dog park at some point, but the vast majority of the park is really going to be focused on restoration, while enabling the kind of transportation connection that you normally see on the Colquitt's Trail between bikes and runners and those sorts of things. So really balancing that recreation and restoration need.
I've planted trees in Kiowa Equestrian Center, in Victoria, Government House, Central Saanich, Esquimalt.
And why do you do it?
Why? Because I'm beginning to believe that we are indeed connected with all of life. That it's not just the superiority of the human species, but we are in partnership with all species. And I believe in a theology of nature. And we're into a sacred quaternity. The quaternity being earth, air, fire, and water as a companion to the Holy Trinity.